Hi, Lady Esther. Welcome back to my channel. My channel is about beauty, skincare, and deep thoughts. Today I'm going to be talking about some Cle De Peau skincare. If you're interested in this today, please stick around. So I got a couple of introductory kits to Cle De Peau just to try the products because it's a better value, and I got them at Nordstrom's. I got the Lip Glorifier and Correcting Cream Veil set for $125 and the Protective Fortifying Emulsion set for $155. You can look at the links below to see what those kits include. I'm not going to go over every product that I've received in the kit right now. So there's 3 steps to after you cleanse your skin with the Cle De Peau system. There's Step 1, the serum. Step 2, hydro softening lotion. Step 3, protective fortifying emulsion. So I got 2 out of the 3. I didn't get the serum. Nordstrom just has the large bottle of serum, which is really expensive. You can get a smaller bottle that's 1 flow ounce on the Cle De Peau website, and I have all the prices linked below, but the smaller size is $190 for 1 flow ounce. So anyway, let's get on to what the products that I do have. So you would put the serum on, and then you would use this hydro softening lotion after the serum, and you would use a cotton pad. Let me show you the cotton pads that I got here. You would apply it with a cotton pad. And I got, on the advice of another YouTuber, I got the Shiseido facial cottons because these are, you get 165 for $12 with the Shiseido. Otherwise, the Cle De Peau brand is, where's the price? The Cle De Peau is $25 for 120. Or you could just buy cotton pads from the drugstore if you want to save even more money. So this hydro softening lotion is a luxurious multi-benefit lotion that intensely hydrates, smooths, and protects against dryness for vibrant, dewy, balanced skin. So I got this one. There's another one for different skin type, but this one is for drier skin. It hydrates more. So this is 170 milliliters or 5.7 ounces, and it retails for $115. So the instructions on the bottle says apply to face every morning and evening. Press the pump 3 times to saturate cotton pad. Smooth gently over the skin. So what I quickly realized is 3 pumps is a lot, and it goes really fast. So I've been using like 1 pump on my cotton pad. And again, I had to get used to the smell. So the Cle De Peau skincare products, that's all I could speak to at this moment, is they're highly fragranced. So it took me a while to get used to the fragrance. This isn't as strong as the other product I'm going to talk about next, but so I'm enjoying this. I need to use it more. I haven't decided if I will be repurchasing this, but I am enjoying it. I really think the packaging is beautiful, and if I run out, I think you can unscrew it. Let me see. Maybe not. Oh, I thought I could just unscrew it and put some other liquid in there. So that was my plan, but doesn't seem like you can do that. So this was step 2. The serum was step 1. Oh, let me go back to the serum. The serum is a remarkable anti-aging serum that enhances skin's ability to defend itself against stressors for an exceptionally smooth, plump complexion. I will insert a picture right there. Okay, so then this was step 2. So step 3 is the Protective Fortifying Emulsion. It has SPF of 22. It's $160 for 125 milliliters or 4.2 ounces. It's a lightweight moisturizer that protects skin from sun damage while guarding against signs of aging for healthy glowing skin. So this is step 3. And again, let's see if I will show you some of this on my hand. It's very light and it's a little bit runny, not too runny. And again, I'd say like medium. It's pretty fragranced, and I can't, it smells perfumey, and I can't describe to you what the smell is, but it's not, doesn't have rose smell, it's just kind of smells perfumey. So I'm enjoying this SPF. I wanted some SPF that felt light and good underneath my makeup. So far I've been enjoying this, except for the scent. That's kind of a bummer about why they have to put scent in products, and if they do put scent, can't they put a little less scent? It's a little bit annoying. So that was number 3 of the 3-step skincare for Cle De Peau after you do your cleansing. But let me go back to a couple other products that I got in the kits, and I don't remember which one I got these products in. I got an essence, and I just shook it up. It's a bi-phase essence formula that provides mattifying benefits while over time addressing the cause of clogged pores for a refined complexion. So I wasn't familiar with like what skin, I couldn't find what skin type this was for, but I have a feeling it's for combination oily, because I've tried this a few times, but I feel like it's a bit too drying. I believe there's, in the biphase, I think it's powder, it sinks to the bottom, and then you have to shake it up, and I believe they want you to also apply this with a cotton pad. They're into cotton pads, so you apply it here and then you dab it all around. So I just really don't feel like this is suited for dry skin. So if you know about this product, leave comments in the box below. So the other 2 products I got were cleansers. Let's go with the first one again that didn't work. The Softening Cleansing Foam. This luxurious, rich, divinely textured cleansing foam by Cle De Peau Beauty gently lifts impurities from your skin while delivering captivating translucency. I'll try to look in the camera more. Okay. A little goes, this is what I put, a little goes a long way. Not suited for my drier skin, leaves my skin too stripped. But it does say, what I read, that it is for normal to dry skin. But if you decide to try this, you just need to use very little. Let me see if I can put some on my hand here. Like maybe even that much. It foams up a lot. Again, it has that same fragrance that the other products have, and I'm not adding water to this, but it foams up. Let's see if I can see. It foams up a lot. I'm going to use this Emulsion to wipe my hand off now. Okay, live TV. So I'm just wiping my hand off with that Emulsion. Okay, I got to do another one though. Okay, we'll just leave that open. So I put the link below for the product. I didn't put the details on the full-size product, but you can look at the links below if you're interested further in these products. So the last one, well, second to the last one, is a product that I did like. This is the Cleansing Clay Scrub. Cleansing Clay Scrub is a gentle, mineral-rich formula that delicately exfoliates your skin while removing impurities, especially from your pores. So this cleansed and exfoliated without stripping, and I really enjoyed this. Let me show you this product on my hand. And again, it has the same smell, but this is a cleansing scrub. I didn't think I was gonna like it because the problem I have with clay mask or scrub is clay for me tends to be too drying, and I don't like clay items recently. But I really enjoy this one. Again, smells the same. So there's some kind of really fine particles in here, and I wouldn't call them beads, and they're not scratchy, but they do exfoliate. So, oh, I just realized I have my hair tie on here. This was not on purpose, this was accident. Anyway, so you could see that, and you just, you know, I think it says start with water. No, it doesn't. See, some of the products, I think, maybe because this is a small trial site, it doesn't give you the instructions. So like some products will say apply to wet face, or some products say apply to dry face. But this, it didn't say. I apply this to a wet face, and then I massage it in and then rinse it off. But I need to get another cotton pad here. And this time I will show you the, what is it, Hydro Softening Lotion. Not that you can really see it. So I put, well, I'll do another cup. Okay. Okay. That smells good. Okay. Now that I cleansed my hand thoroughly, see? Anyway. So there's that. Let me put myself all back. And I guess I can always edit. I can edit this. Okay, so that was the last product. Let me go back to my phone here. Cleansing scrape. Okay, so the Cleansing Clay Scrub was my last skincare product. I did want to mention this, which I mentioned it in another video, and one of the kits came with this lip glorifier, which they've come out with lip glorifiers that have tint to it. So I'm wearing this lip glorifier today, and it looks pink, but I don't think it has a color. But to me, it seems like it makes my lips darker, or maybe that's just how my lips react to it. But I believe this has some type of plumping effect, because when I apply it, my lips feel a little tingly. So I'll have to go to the website. Let's see if I can go to the website real quick and see what it says. Lip glorifier. Okay, wait. The plain one looks a little bit different than this, because there's no, this is just a solid. The plain one on the website, maybe I can either use this footage or insert. You can see it. There's the center is like white, and so the lip glorifier retails for $45, and it's a lip balm. It's a bestseller. Our original moisturizing lip balm, primer, and lip tint. So I guess it has some tint. A moisture-rich lip balm that adds a hint of color, which it did, to the moisture, a hint of color in response to the moisture level of the lips, and shields lips from dryness with a dewy rosy tint. Yes, it did do that. Infuses lips with moisture and protects lips from dryness throughout the day. Smooths the surface of lips to even the finish of lip products applied on top while improving the color and wear. Okay, it does talk about plumping, Glow Up Oil Base, a 3-part innovation made up of color components and luminous oil, helps lips appear plump and soft. Shea butter, safflower oil, and premium argan tree oil moisturize, improves dryness, and helps make vertical lip lines less visible with continued use. I don't see where it says about how it feels. I didn't see that. What about... Anyway, so that was the lip glorifier. And we talked about the cotton pads. So the lady I was telling you about, that she was recommending the Shiseido. Like, Shiseido is related to, is like a division of Cle De Peau, or Cle De Peau is a division of Shiseido, one of those. So the difference is the Cle De Peau ones look exactly the same, but they have an embossing on theirs that says Cle De Peau, and these ones are just plain cotton. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please click the like button, consider subscribing to my channel, and hit the bell button to be reminded of new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.